Tired of manually entering all your bank transactions into Xero? Wish there was a smoother way to keep your accounting software up to date? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're diving deep into how Xero connects to your bank account, exploring the benefits of bank feeds, and uncovering some of the common pitfalls you might encounter along the way. What is bank feeds in Xero? Imagine a magical bridge connecting your bank account directly to Xero. That's essentially what bank feeds are. They automatically import your bank transactions into your Xero account. No more tedious data entry, no more risk of human error, and more time for you to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Benefits of using bank feeds in Xero: save time and reduce errors. Say goodbye to manual data entry. Bank feeds automate the process, saving you countless hours and minimizing the risk of typos or missed transactions. Improved accuracy and efficiency. Automated data entry leads to more accurate financial records. This allows for better financial reporting and decision-making. Early identification of issues. Bank feeds often highlight discrepancies or unusual transactions, allowing you to quickly investigate and address any potential problems. Reconciliation made easy. With accurate transaction data, reconciling your bank accounts becomes a breeze. Xero even provides tools to help you match transactions with invoices and expenses. Enhanced cash flow management. By having a real-time view of your cash flow, you can make informed decisions about your spending, invoicing, and overall financial health. How to connect your bank account to Xero. Enable bank feeds in Xero. Navigate to the Banking tab in your Xero account. From there, you'll find options to connect your bank accounts. Choose your bank. Select your bank from the list of supported institutions. Xero integrates with a wide range of banks worldwide. Authorize the connection. You'll typically be redirected to your bank's website to authorize Xero to access your account information. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by your bank. Map transactions. Once connected, Xero will start importing your transactions. You may need to review and map these transactions to the correct accounts in Xero, e.g., income, expenses, etc. Tips for a smooth bank feed experience. Ensure accurate account information. Make sure your bank account details in Xero are accurate and up-to-date to avoid connection issues. Regularly review transactions. Even with automation, it's crucial to regularly review your bank feeds for any discrepancies or unusual activity. Address discrepancies promptly. If you notice any mismatched or missing transactions, investigate and address them promptly to maintain accurate records. Consider using rules. Xero allows you to create rules to automatically categorize and code certain types of transactions, further streamlining the process. Stay updated. Keep your Xero software and browser up to date to ensure optimal compatibility and performance with bank feeds. Troubleshooting common issues. Connection issues. If you're experiencing connection problems, double-check your internet connection and ensure you've entered your bank credentials correctly. Transaction import errors. If transactions aren't importing correctly, try refreshing the bank feed or contacting your bank for assistance. Mapping issues. If you're having trouble mapping transactions, review the transaction details carefully and ensure you're selecting the correct accounts in Xero. Exploring advanced features. Bank reconciliation. Xero's bank reconciliation tools can help you quickly and easily match bank transactions with invoices, expenses, and other relevant documents. Reporting. Leverage the power of Xero's reporting features to gain valuable insights into your cash flow, spending patterns, and overall financial performance. Integrations. Explore other integrations with third-party apps, such as credit card processors and invoicing software, to further enhance your workflow. Security considerations. Data security. Xero employs robust security measures to protect your financial data. However, it's always important to be mindful of potential security risks and to only connect to trusted financial institutions. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication for both your Xero account and your bank account to add an extra layer of security. Bank feeds in Xero are a game-changer for businesses of all sizes. By automating the process of importing bank transactions, you can save time, reduce errors, and gain valuable insights into your financial health. While there may be some initial setup and occasional troubleshooting required, The benefits of using bank feeds far outweigh the minor inconveniences. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.